Every hero's journey starts with a problem, but this story starts with my laundry of pile. A pile so big it feels like it was judging me. And then I thought, what if a robot could do this for me? But just when you think robots are busy building cars or exploring Mars, turns out many of the world's smartest tech laboratories, robotic laboratories, are teaching robots something much harder: folding clothes. Yeah, just folding clothes. But 10 years ago, folding a single shirt took a robot almost 5 minutes. The setup had to be perfect: same table, same shirt, no wrinkles. One wrong pinch, the whole system failed. But today, robots are doing this across different fabrics, shapes, and messiness almost like us. Clothes seem simple until you try teaching a machine, unlike a cup or a box. Cloth changes every second. It wrinkles, bends, collapses, hides its corners, basically the final boss of a robotic manipulation. And yet, it's the perfect playground for AI because, unlike assembling a car, folding is forgiving. Mistakes cost nothing. Try again, learn again, improve again. So, what changed? Why is everyone suddenly obsessed with robots folding clothes? AI models now learn from thousands of human demonstrations. Robots are better with every cloth they touch. Better cameras, smarter grips, and huge data sets turned laundry into a solvable problem. And as silly as it sounds, folding laundry may be the bridge between today's machines and the tomorrow's household robots. Think about it. We spend years of our lives doing chores: folding, cleaning, sorting, and arranging. If robots can master tasks this unpredictable, they can learn many more, and not to replace us, but to give us back our time. Today they fold napkins. Tomorrow maybe they will unload your washer, arrange your wardrobe, or help elderly people live independently. A humble towel fold could be the first chapter in the story of truly helpful home robots. So, the next time your laundry pile grows, remember, somewhere in a lab, a robot is learning to help you with it. And if you want more tech stories turned into mini movies, you know what to do.